Yeah. Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm just off work. It's 1:40 a.m. and well, I kind of walked out a little bit, and I noticed there's a mess. And yeah, I don't know. I mean, somebody was here already. That's for sure. You can see cars are like spread out. Look at this one. This one's nice right here. The Ford 350 Super Duty. And they also got the Chevy, and some Auto World. This Hummer. But man, I'll get to this. Let's just go over here real quick. Nothing new from Hot Wheels. They got these color shifters, but nothing new. They had these new American pickup trucks. It looks like they also had the Larrywood, but I do not see any Fast and Furious. Only the Team Transport. I do see some of those mystery packs up there. What else? I think that's it from the Hot Wheels. They also have this Toy Story, or Disney, I should say. What else here, man? The Avengers. I mean, they had them for a while, but they had them on a different aisle, I guess. They had independent bins for those. Other than that, we have this Matchbox. Look at this one, man. This is one of the ones that get snatched real quick. Same as this one's right here too. These ones are gone quick. But yeah, and then there's also these working rigs. These are fairly fresh, new, but take a look here, man. I don't know if they dropped a box or what really happened there, but all of them are damaged cards. But we already have sure, I think we got all of these ones right here. Yeah. They got this color changers. There's this one, which I'm not really into color changers. Front Matchbox, or color shifters from Hot Wheels. But I do feel like these are new. I hadn't seen these 5-packs. Front Matchbox. Take a look at this one, man. Yeah, they don't have the name of the cars, but yeah, take a look at that one. That one is nice. It's got like a white bed, left-hand drive, and a 3-piece back window. Very cool. And then this is what does that say? Getting dirty. Yeah, very nice. Take a look at these wheels, man. So this is a 2-piece right here. It's a cool Bronco right there. Nice hauler. And I don't know, but I don't think I had seen this one either. Where'd it go? This one right here, because this one's got a nice BW with the Matchbox International Express. Very nice as well. It's got some Fensky Automotive Center. I don't know what that is, but these are like old. Yeah, this one is nice. I mean, if I was to get this one, it would be because of this BMW. But yeah, other than that, these are the two that I had not seen. Maybe they have been now, but I just had not seen them. Other than that, I think, let me see this one. Yeah, we have seen this one. So yeah, I think this is the newest 5-pack out there, along with those working rigs. Probably these 9-packs are fresh as well, because they got this one that just came out. You can see it over here in a 9-pack in a single. So this must be fresh. You got the Audi, and you got these Bug, which is in the 5-pack over there. So yeah, this is a good deal. Oh, and they got like a Corvette in a police exclusive. Take a look, man. That one looks nice too. They got a helicopter right there. Very nice cat. Oh, what the heck? What happened here, man? What the heck? That's crazy. Well, something was taken out of this box. That's crazy. Oh damn, this one is cool too. Look at that. It's a Miata right there, I believe. And take a look over here. That's Golf in red. Very nice. Yeah, this one is also nice. And take a look at this one, man. It's crazy. Other than that, there's just let me show you, man. Outer World. This Mustang looks nice. It's a nice 2012. Yeah. And there's a M2s over here. There's a Chevy Nova. And I like the engine that comes out of over here. I like the paint job. It's not glossy, but it's nice. Damn, look at this one right here. Red Diablo Sport. This is a Pontiac Firebird. Jesus, man. This thing is nice. Very cool casting. But yeah, you can see cars on the shelf. Like, I'm telling you, man, somebody was here, made a mess and left. Take a look at this. This one is nice. It's a cool truck. And this one as well. Very nice castings. The Torino. Let's see what all is here, man. Station wagon. Some Dodge Super B. A Bel Air. This is an M2. Very nice. And that's about it, man, I think. Yeah, so I think this is a new box right here, and that's why somebody made a mess and they just left. See what this Johnny Lightning is. I don't know, but yeah, they got these new every time I went to the Walmarts, they either have regulars or there was one missing, which would have been the Chase. So I was late to this one, to the Chase at least. But yeah, like I said, there's nothing new. I mean, other than the 5-packs, the 9-packs, and I think that was it. 5-packs, 9-packs, and the working rigs. That's about it for this Walmart. Oh yeah, and then shout out to Diecast guy, man. He's like, hey, where are your videos at? He just commented on one of the previous videos, and I just told him, hey man, I just got to a Walmart and I have been hunting, but there's just nothing new for me to buy. And so I pretty much told him, oh, I'll make a video just because I know we haven't been posting. So yeah, shout out to Flyboy Customs. He wanted a shout out. There you go, man. That's it. That's all I got. Yeah. So I just got to the second Walmart. And it is 2:15 almost. And once again, mystery models. And they are opened. They even got M&Ms on the back. The chocolate M&Ms. But they also had these Larry Wood sets. Nothing new, like I've been saying, or I've been replying to the guys with the new videos, but nothing new really. They got these. They don't. Oh look, they got a Fast and Furious right here from the premium, but this is not the ones that I'm looking for. I already got one set for this one. Oh, and the cool thing about this one is the hood opens. Well, I don't know if you guys can see it, but the hood opens, so that's cool. There's only one though. Yeah, they also got this Matchbox, but I don't see the new ones that they had on the other store. The new 5-packs. Which, come to think about, I don't. Yeah, I think I seen this one actually. Yeah, pretty much I'm pretty sure I had seen that one. It was just the. Yeah, they don't have the ones that they had on the previous Walmart. And they don't have. Oh, they do have this working rigs. These are the newest, and these are in better condition than the previous Walmart. But yeah, they don't have the newest. Oh, there is. So I guess that one is not as new, but there was a 9-pack that I had not seen. Oh, take a look. There's a Fast and Furious Chevrolet Chevelle. Looks like somebody tried to jack this thing, which is crazy. because there's a camera right there, right on top of the toy section. But yeah. Oh, what the heck? I had never seen this thing right here. Lamborghini Gallardo from the Forza Motorsport. Damn, this is the best one if you ask me. It's like dirty though, super dirty. I'm thinking somebody must have stashed it and just never came back for it. And so the employees just found it recently and they put it back in the shelf. That's crazy, man. Yep, because that's the only one. Oops. Some Disney, some Batman. So, oh, this thing is broken. So yeah, I think that is what happened with this casting, man. Somebody stashed it, forgot all about it, and just recently the employees must have been cleaning or something. Damn. This one I'm definitely gonna take for sure. Even though it's all dirty, but it's gonna be mine.